Won't you come with me? I'll show you around the world. Come with the traveler Sheila D. Won't you come with me? I'll show you around the world. Come with the traveler Sheila D. Passport on check, luggage on check. Boarding passes and excursions booked on check. Passport on check, luggage. Come with the traveler Sheila D. Travel with me.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a blessed day. This is the Traveler Sheila D and I'm back with another video. Today's footage you will see from my visit to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, which is located in Africa, and I hope you enjoy. If you're ever in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, check out the Ramada Resort, Dar es Salaam. It is a beautiful hotel. Their customer service skills are awesome. Their room service is awesome, and their laundry service is superb. And this is George helping us with our luggage, taking it to our room. Look at how beautiful this room is. Look at the paintings on the headboard and on the wall. Absolutely beautiful. And look at this beautiful view from the balcony. Look how beautiful the staircase is. Their dining room was beautiful, the food was great, and the staff was awesome. This is a time lapse of the beautiful sunrise in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, located in Africa. And this is the beautiful view from the beach side of the hotel.